Hi, it's Harry here, and today I have an unboxing video of Calvin Klein fragrances for men. There's 5 of them in total. The collection of 5 fragrances comes in an attractive gift box. Each of the 5 bottles is 15 milliliters in size, which is 5 fluid ounces. The description says, CK Into You, for him, penetrates with lime gin fizz and rushes into a combination of cool musks that radiate from top to bottom. The description says, Eternity for Men by Calvin Klein opens with refreshing green botanicals. The exhilarating top notes lead into an aromatic heart of sage and a warm, woodsy cedar base that lingers on the skin. The description says, Obsession for Men starts with a fresh bergamot mandarin accord that proceeds to a spicy heart accented with lavender and sage. The description says, CK1, a delicious middle note cocktail of nutmeg, violet, and jasmine fused with a base of sandalwood, amber, and musk to beautifully round off this iconic fragrance. The description says, Euphoria opens with a ginger pepper cocktail followed by a black basil with cedar leaf middle. The dry down is creamy suede with addictive patchouli and solid amber. The one and only downside of this collection of fragrances is that unfortunately the bottles aren't those standard bottles that have a spray attached to them. You're going to have to purchase from eBay one of those bottles that has a spray attached to it, and then you're going to have to transfer the contents of each bottle into one of those spray bottles and use that instead. Please like, comment or subscribe and follow me on social media.